Well, here we are at the treehouse again. It's Thursday night. It's actually technically Friday morning. In the early hours, we've got everything set. We are here, and for the first time ever, we're camping out. We're not staying in the landlord's house. We are camping. So I am in my hammock with my mozzie-net to keep them creepy crawlies at bay. So we're going to crack on in the morning. It's quite cold. I'm quite toasty warm in here. Crack on in the morning with stairs. Job number one, get the stairway finished, and then hopefully have a roof on by the end of the weekend as well. So we've got all day Friday, Saturday and Sunday. And yeah, we'll see you in the morning. Good night. Well, good morning. It's 7:30. I had a pretty reasonable night's sleep, actually. Not bad, apart from a pheasant that decided it wanted to let the entire universe know that it was here. Twice in the night. So yeah, that was interesting. But yeah, so this is my current view. It's quite a misty looking morning, but it is beautiful. Just look at that down there. Oh, there's Gregor's been for his morning wee wee, by the looks of it. What a way to wake up. Right, we'll crack on. You can probably see there's the treehouse behind me, and half a stairway here. This is half a stairwell, and we have to build the other half here, and then put some steps in. But first, it's a cup of tea time and bacon butties. Morning, Greg. Hello.
So, welcome to day one of Build Weekend 4? 5? Build Weekend 5. Day one of Build Weekend number 5. We're back at the treehouse. The weather is glorious. Absolutely glorious. The rafters are still here, as you can see behind me. They've all stayed up. None of them are broken, which is wonderful. And everything else is going pretty well. And what we are doing right now is stairs. There's our little landing porch sort of thing. And there's our 2 rails which we have built, cutting that lovely willow trunk in half. Fixed them in. They are now fixed. We've done some complicated, wonderful maths. Thank you, GCSE maths teachers. It was useful in the end. Yeah, to work out how many steps we need. So for every step to be 7 vertical inches, we have to do 9 inches on the angle. And we just marked that. And as you can tell, their steps are not square. They go through a turn and then down. So what that means is, unfortunately, this rail and this rail are at slightly different angles. Not a problem, because we're gonna have to custom make every single step anyway, and it just means that the steps are going to go kind of across until they reach about here, and then they will sort of start to feather round to fit. So there you go. Camp set up as per usual. Treehouse beautiful as per usual. Surroundings glorious as per usual. Everything's in full leaf at the moment, so it's really nice and enclosed. It feels lovely. And yeah, cracking on. So getting towards the end of day one of the 5th weekend. Hey Greg.
Hello.
And today's work has been stairs. Look at the stairs. Look at the stairs. Custom made stairs.
Every step.
Every single step. Okay, there's 4 left to do. We're going to do those later, but I'm making the video now because there's still a little bit of daylight. But we're going to work by torchlight tonight, get those last 4 steps done. Each single step is custom fitted to each individual space that it has to go, because every one of these angles on either end is different for every step. Each step is a different length. The angles on each end are not the same for each end, and they're different for every single step. So there we go. That is our stairway so far. Those last 4 will get done tonight, and then tomorrow it's roofing time. Right, well here we are. It's day 3 of build weekend number 5. It's Sunday, it's the final day. It's 11:45, so it's almost lunchtime. Well, it'll be lunchtime in a little while. We've only got Greg for half a day today, unfortunately, but what a half a day it's been so far, because we have just finished our roof, as you can see behind me. We have a roof. The substructure of our roof is wood, as you can tell, and I think you'll agree, it's rustically beautiful. And then what we're going to do is throw the old tractor tarp, the big white tarp that we use to store everything, we're going to throw that down over all of this, and then we're going to put the Coraline roofing sheets over the top of that. And we should have a strong, waterproof, fairly windproof, as draft free as we're going to be able to get it, roof. So there we go, awesome. Oh, well, here we are at the end of the weekend, and it's been a fabulous weekend. As you can see behind me, we have a roof. This is our timber roof. I don't know if you can see it, it's quite dark in here now, and I can't use my flash because my battery level is too low. So yeah, this is our roof. It's all done. And what I'm going to do now is magically reappear over yonder, where you'll be able to see the outside of the roof and how that looks. But this is it from the inside. It's all wood and nice and lovely. There's Coxie. Hey Coxie.
Oh,
Having fun?
roof joy.
Roof joy. Look at it. Isn't it beautiful? Isn't it beautiful? Mix of plywood and boards. And it's beautiful. So now, as if by magic I'm here,